guys, how you doing? Great to be back with you. For all you people that first time here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, the like, all that good stuff. And the people that's been around for a while, good to see you again. Thanks for sticking around with us. But tonight we got a spice that we're gonna do for you. And this is gonna be good for everything and anything, guys. From poultry to chicken, poultry, turkey, lamb, steak, you name it, you can use it. All the way down to popcorn. Yes, buttered popcorn. What we're gonna be doing is rosemary salt. And I'm gonna show you how to do it right now. First of all, we're gonna go ahead and use a cup of kosher salt. You can use sea salt if you would like. But kosher salt is not as salty. All right. You just want to use a cup of it. And this is going to stay fresh, guys, for probably about 2 to 3 weeks in an airtight container. All right. And I got this recipe from a TikTok guy. His name Sonny. He goes by That Dude Can Cook. He's pretty funny. You gotta check him out. But we're gonna go ahead. I got a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper in there. We got our rosemary. And we're gonna peel it off the stems. Now guys, you will smell like rosemary the rest of the day after doing this. Just saying. But it's good stuff. Peel it off the stems. We got Gunchy with us tonight. I'd interrupt him from his Minecraft game. Oh, Minecraft. Yes. Which, it's a change. He hasn't played that in a while. He's been working on a ranch on the weekends to learn to be a rancher. Pretty cool, huh? Yeah. He's being quiet tonight. Oh yeah, smell that rosemary, guys. Well, you can't, but one day you'll be able to. All right. So we got our rosemary out there. Got our sage, and this is all fresh organic stuff, guys. Okay. All right. We can go ahead and throw the rosemary in there. And the sage. Oh, and I'd like to give a shout out to my good friend farmsteadsmith. I always talk to her about how much I love her coffee cup. Well, by George, she sent me a care package today, and I want to give her a shout out. But thanks, Adrian. This is awesome. It was totally unexpected. God bless you guys, But I'll leave links in the description for everyone I'm talking about, guys. Okay? Now the garlic, usually use about 3 cloves. This was a rather large clove, so I'm only using 1 huge clove. Remember, smash it up, gets the juices flowing, so to speak. We're gonna chop this up a little bit. We got spectators with us tonight. So we got our garlic, and the garlic is one of the reasons why it only lasts a couple weeks. Okay. Whoops, forgot my microplane. I'll be right back. And we are going to use the zest of a lemon. Now you don't want to go down into the So the white part of the lemon, guys, because that's where all the bitterness is, okay? Oh yeah. Guys, you're gonna love this. Smells good, doesn't it, Gunch?
Yep.
Alright. Alright, so we got that. Alright, now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna throw this on my blender. We're gonna pulse it. To start off, we're gonna pulse it, but then we're gonna blend it. I don't know, for a couple minutes or so, alright guys? But I'm not gonna let you sit around and listen to the blender. Be right back. Now I'm just gonna go around the edges, guys, and make sure the garlic wasn't sticking in there. It looks like we're in good shape. Alright. But guys, this is extremely magnificent. I mean, it's totally awesome. For lamb, man, one of the best spices you get for lamb. Look at that. Look at that beautiful color, guys. Oh, man. Gunch, what are you doing?
I'm flattening it
Why?
so it looks better.
Goofball. Alright. Well, now that he messed up my little volcano. Gotta love the cameraman. Always gotta do something in there. But guys, there you have it. This Rosemary Salt's magnificent. Give it a try. As always, I'll leave all the ingredients and everything in the description for you guys. But I'd like to thank you for being with us here in another episode of Cooking with the Reaper, your heavy metal chef. And we will see you next time. God bless.